Hi everyone, myself Vinayar. I am studying in SPCE. Today we are discussing about the topic the protocol model and message format of CAN bus, line bus and most bus. Introduction. A CAN bus is a control area network is vehicle bus standard designed to allow microcontroller and devices to communicate with each other. It is a message based protocol designed originally for multiplex electrical wiring within automobiles to save a copper, but it can also be used to many other contexts. For each device, the data in the frame is transmitted serially but in such a way that if more than one advanced transmit at the same time, the highest priority device can continue while others back off. CAN bus. In 1991, the CAN bus is a control area network was the first bus system to introduce motor vehicles in a mass production. It has since established itself as the standard system in the automotive sector, but the CAN bus is also commonly used in a field in automatic engineering in general. The application of CAN bus. The CAN bus is used in various domains in motor vehicles. The CAN bus is finding ever more used to vehicle diagnosis. Here, the electronic control unit is connected directly to the CAN bus and thus receive the information it needs for diagnosis immediately. The second one is CAN protocol. For a communication protocol, it is standard practice to arrange the thematically coherent task as a set of layers which offered high level of flexibility in the implementation of bus system. With the CAN, both CAN hardware and CAN software is subdivided into several layers. The application layer, data link layer, and physical layer. The protocol layers. The application layer present in the information from data structures used by the applications. The objective layer. The task of the objective layer is to manage the messages. Transport layer. The transport layer furnishes the object layer with received a message and process the messages prepared by the object layer for sending in such a way that the physical layer is able to transmit this information. The physical layer is the lowest level in the transport stack. It consists of physical components of the network. CAN message format. The data frame. The transmitted message contains a data. Remote frame. Station can request the data they need from the data source. Error frame. If a station detects a fault or error, it communicates this to their other stations using the error frame. Overload frame. Overload frame. This can be used to create a delay between preceding and subsequent data frame or remote frame. The next one is ACK field. Unlikely all preceding fields of the ACK field is not sent by the sender of the frame but by a different node that is able to acknowledgement the receipt of the frame directly after the data field. The end frame. The end frame of frame marks the end of the message and comprises 7 recessive bits. Interframe space. The interframe space comprises a succession of 3 receivers bits which serve to separate successive messages. Line bus. Line bus is a supplement to a CAN bus. It offers low performance and reliability but also drastically lower cost option often to use it vehicle for Windows Vipers air condition. The line cluster consists of one master and up to 16 slave nodes. Single wire plus a ground within 1 to 20 kilobits. Maximum 40-meter bus length. The time triggered scheduling with guaranteed legacy time. Line bus applications. Steering wheel, comfort, powertrain, engine, air condition, door, seats, others. How does line bus work? The line bus communication is core relatively simple. Line frame format. In simple terms, the line bus messages frame consists of header and response. Most bus. The most bus serial bus is used to design chain or ring configuration to distribute the audio, video, voice data signals. The most bus, the most bus is media-oriented system transport was specially developed for a networking information system or motor vehicles. Future of most buses. The most buses will support the logical networking up to 64 devices, at which point constraints associated with the chipset may be encountered. Thank you.